Hello and welcome back to Tech Shadow Ploy. My name is Abdulmanan. Dear subscribers, so what is computer? A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information, or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. You may already know that you can use a computer to type documents, send email, play games, and browse the web. You can also use it to edit or create spreadsheets, presentations, and even videos. Computer is an electronic device that is designed to work with information. The term computer is derived from the Latin term computare. This means to calculate or programmable machine. Computer cannot do anything without a program. It represents the decimal numbers through a string of binary digits. The word computer usually refers to the central processor unit plus internal memory. Charles Babbage is called the grandfather of the computer. The first mechanical computer designed by Charles Babbage was called analytical engine. It uses read-only memory in the form of punch cards. The computer is an electronic device that takes input from the user and processes these data under the control of a set of instructions, called program, and gives the result, output, and saves future use. It can process both numerical and non-numerical, arithmetic and logical, calculations. What are the different types of computers? When most people hear the word computer, they think of a personal computer such as a desktop or laptop. However, computers come in many shapes and sizes, and they perform many different functions in our daily lives. When you withdraw cash from an ATM, scan groceries at the store, or use a calculator, you're using a type of computer. Desktop computers. Many people use desktop computers at work, home, and school. Desktop computers are designed to be placed on a desk, and they're typically made up of a few different parts, including the computer case, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Laptop computers. The second type of computer you may be familiar with is a laptop computer, commonly called a laptop. Laptops are battery-powered computers that are more portable than desktops, allowing you to use them almost anywhere. Tablet computers. Tablet computers or tablets are handheld computers that are even more portable than laptops. Instead of keyboard and mouse, tablets use a touch-sensitive screen for typing and navigation. The iPad is an example of a tablet. Servers. A server is a computer that serves up information to other computers on a network. For example, whenever you use the internet, you're looking at something that's stored on a server. Many businesses also use local file servers to store and share files internally. A computer system consists of hardware components that have been carefully chosen so that they work well together, and software components or programs that run in the computer. The main software component is itself an operating system, OS, that manages and provides services to other programs that can be run in the computer. In its most basic form, a computer system is a programmable electronic device that can accept input, store data, and retrieve, process and output information. In its most basic form, a computer system is a programmable electronic device that can accept input, store data, and retrieve, process and output information. Evolution of computer systems. Computers are programmable electronic devices that can process data. To comprehend what a computer system is, it's important to analyze the history and evolution of computer system development over the years. Early models. The history of computer systems goes way back to Charles Babbage's differential machines. Despite never being completed, this machine is considered the first example of a computing system. It came before the early 20th century mainframes and large computers. The von Neumann machine and others of its kind were later used as the first massive, monolithic computers in the human world. The personal computer. The microprocessor revolution of the 1970s and 1980s saw the introduction of personal computers, also known as desktop computers. The first true home computer that came with a monitor display was released to the public in 1977. At the time, many large organizations used expensive and massive computers. The personal computer employed a computer box as its main piece of hardware, together with peripheral devices such as a mouse and keyboard and computer software that was downloaded into floppy disks. Operating system. The operating system was initially created to support a complete computer system in a box and to provide users with a common interface for using the software that operated on that hardware. Additionally, the actual software components to execute on a specific operating system, such as files, apps and executables, were also introduced. The first IBM PC, officially known as the IBM Model 5150, ran Microsoft's MIS OS operating system and had an Intel 8088 processor running at 4.77 MHz. Laptops. The laptops emerged as hardware became smaller and more portable over time. The Portal, the first authorized portable microcomputer, debuted in 1980. It was built using an 8-bit, 2 MHz Intel 8085 processor and was equipped with a 64 KB random access memory, RAM. The cloud. The introduction of the modern cloud in the early 2000s revolutionized software distribution and data storage. The out-of-the-box software strategy was rendered obsolete in the enterprise. Its sector as software was provided digitally through the internet in place of physical media, such as floppy disks and compact disks. Virtualization. The concept of hardware and software configurations has recently undergone a radical change thanks to virtualization. Instead of using physical hardware, the majority of current computing systems use virtualized computer systems. Through the use of virtualization, a single computer's hardware resources can be split up into several virtual machines. Components of a computer system. The components of a computer system are typically divided into hardware and software parts, which are both essential in making a computer system functional. Hardware components. The hardware components include the computer itself, the physical parts inside the computer, such as a circuit board and storage devices, and any peripherals attached to the computer. These components can be either classified as input devices, such as a mouse or keyboard, or output devices, such as a monitor or printer. While output devices reflect or display user data, input devices are designed to accept user data. Today subscribe my YouTube channel and thanks for watching.